just working on our second panel after we couldn't get that thing up. Just a little too flimsy for two people, and that's what they told me, two people can do it. I don't think so. So we got one more piece left over here to go, and it's starting to thunder over in the distance. I don't know what we're in for, so we just may call it quits for today. I'm going to try and get that last piece onto the second arch there.
We get thunderstorms. Woohoo!
And he's up there trying to get a better view of the thunderstorm. That's my helper. Alright, an attempt with 3 people this time. Well, that didn't go so well, but it worked. I didn't show anything about lifting the second one up, but you can see we got some of the bolts in on the side there already where it joins. And if you look up at the arch, there's still a strap holding it there. Alright, one of us has got to get up there and put those bolts in.
Right top there.
So this is how things are starting to look about 300 bolts later. So what we did on the first one, we had some straps here. Those hooks, they wouldn't fit through the holes, so we got some S hooks and clamped them tight right there and hooked them together in the middle, which is right there. And then we hooked another S hook up there. And here's a view from the other side in the center, and if you can see how that rope is pulling down, yeah, it was a little bit too high, and we did manage to get it up there. What, with 2 people? No way. Not like the salesman said. So the second one I didn't get on video. I got the third one on video, and we put the bolt in right here, right next to that crease where it's nice and solid. And then right here, used another strap like that and hooked it to the top, but this time put the string lower. Okay, number three. Third time's the charm. Oh, that's what's holding that whole thing up right there, is the straps, and attached to those ropes and tied right over there. Right now with 3, it seems pretty stable. Like I'm shaking on the side here, and it's pretty sturdy. Not going anywhere the way it is. So there's our redneck scaffolding. We've been able to get all the top bolts in using that. No scissor lift required.